The Proxon Long Neck Angle Grinder, LHW-A. Outstanding for fine jobs. Ideal for the toolmaker, in mold making, for a wide variety of applications in the automotive sector, and many other conceivable areas. The LHW-A is in its element in confined spaces, whether in industry, trade, or hobby. Unlimited mobility thanks to rechargeable battery technology, making it easy to use both indoors and outdoors. The slim gearhead of solid high-precision machined die-cast aluminium not only makes the device very compact, but also forms a perfect enclosure for the robust gear mechanism and reliably ensures the precise bearing and guidance of the moving components. Pure ergonomics. The housing of glass fiber reinforced polyamide with the yellow non-slip soft component fits the hand snugly and enables effortless guidance of the device, and thus perfect control of the bits and cutters. The grinding tool is driven by a permanent magnet DC motor as standard. A perfectly fine-balanced rotor guarantees maximum quiet running and low vibration. The operating speed can be precisely regulated between 5,000 and 16,000 revolutions. The very finest in battery technology. Powerful lithium-ion storage batteries with a respectable 2.6 ampere-hour capacity at a voltage of 10.8 volts, guarantee high performance and long period of use, even in the most demanding applications. There is also a wide range of bits and cutters for a wide variety of applications. Sanding discs of corundum, high-grade corundum, and silicon carbide cover the entire range of materials to be machined. Whether steel, non-ferrous metal, glass, ceramics, wood, and plastic. Whether for separating, roughing, grinding, fine grinding, or shaping wood. Must irregular surfaces be machined? No problem. Small bulges on the workpiece can be compensated with the rubber backing disc. Also practical. The rear side is equipped with a Velcro backing, which enables the sanding sheets and sanding fleece to be changed at lightning speed. Ideal for users who often have to work with different grain sizes. Last but not least, allow us to present the rasp plate. It accomplishes really amazing things and allows an almost sensational removal of materials such as wood and plaster. The tungsten carbide needles are naturally very hard and therefore extremely wear resistant. To get started right away, our long neck angle grinder not only comes with the battery and the appropriate charger, but also a high-grade corundum grinding disc, a fabric-reinforced cutting disc, and a pre-assembled fan sander. And once the work is done, a beautifully designed polypropylene case serves for safe and tidy storage of the devices and accessories. Practical. Battery and charger must be used for all Proxon battery-powered devices. This allows uninterrupted work with several batteries without any problems. If one battery is in use, another is charged and is ready for operation again after approximately 1 hour. An invaluable advantage especially for the commercial sector. Especially interesting for customers who already have a Proxon rechargeable battery device, the LHW-A is also available without battery and charger. The battery-powered long neck angle grinder, LHW-A, a strong solution provider for trade and industry. One of 6 Proxon battery-powered devices made in Europe. A system together. Proxon. Tools with character.